All right, everyone. Let's take a look at this right over here. Now, this was a sell on gold. Now, the first thing is we need to identify that the trend from your 7, 8, 9, 10, like a trend after the Asian session start to move up. We start to move bullish. So ideally, we wanted a support to be formed for price to move bullish, right? Now, okay, so now for sells, as we have clean range to the left-hand side, we have to see if this support can be broken. Now, obviously, this is a support on the 15-minute time frame, which is a weak confirmation. So we look at the 30-minute time frame. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, we can see how there was price came up to resistance. Previously, we moved down. This candle formed with a rejection, right? When this 30-minute candle closed, let's take a look at this on the 15-minute and keep an eye on the time here as well, right? This is very important for you to understand. Keep an eye on the time at the bottom. It's 9 a.m., right? Around pre-London. Let's take a look on the 15-minute. See that? This 9 a.m. candle closed right over here. We closed bearish. Now, the next 30-minute candle formed, and the next the first 15-minute of the 30-minute went bullish, right? But we closed at this area at this time. Now, if we wanted the 30-minute candle to push up, this wick up is the first 15-minute of the 30-minute. If we wanted to push up, we want this 15-minute to break the high for price to continue pushing up. But what happened? We broke below the support on the 15-minute and closed bearish. Now, if you look on the 30-minute time frame, the 30-minute candle closed with a huge rejection wick. So now the question is, what's the probability that the next candle will continue to push up, or will the next candle continue to push down? Because we have now clean range to the left-hand side. The answer is it's going to go down. Okay, awesome, it's going to go down. How do I enter? Do I wait for the candle to close? Well, on the 15-minute, candle closed below this area. And once this next candle formed, took two entries. One was right over here, 0.1 lots. The second one was the 30 or 35 cent lot. And once we broke below the low, stops are above this current candle, we continue to push down. And then a member in chat said, well, the daily is going to flip. So we switch on to the daily. And the daily was flipping at that time, going bearish. So the next 15-minute, it broke the low of the previous one. I'm like, well, what the hell? There's volume, and daily's flipping, stops above this one. Once we broke the low, price came down, got about 10, 11, 12 pips, and then closed that trade right there, right? So this was impulse entries. Now, if you've missed this move, rewatch this video again. Now the move's done, finish. We'll see probably a retracement, resistance form for price to move down. Let's see what happens. But I think this pre-London was amazing. And man, listen, the same thing happened yesterday at the same time, like clockwork. Simple clockwork. So take care.